Welcome back, and in this video lesson I will show you how you can get the best theme for Shopify which I will be used to design the online store. So the theme which I will be using to design the online store is the Beautified. I have tried and tested many themes so far and it is the best theme if you go with. So it offers you some free themes, but the free themes provided by Shopify is not good enough. As you can see right here, the current theme which I have done is it is good, and you can always browse the free theme in Shopify, but all the free themes provided by Shopify is not good enough. So the theme which I will be using is called Beautify. The Beautify is also a free theme. It has many features and it also has some good plans which come with more features. But the free version of Beautified is more than good enough to run your online store. And the free version of Beautified is better than any free theme provided by Shopify or any other free theme available, and that is why I will be using the Beautify. So to get the Beautify, go to the beautify.com. This will take us to the Beautify website. So once you are in the beautiful website, all you have to do is scroll down and click on sign up. This Beautify free. After that, it will take you a page that looks something like here. You need to type in your full name, your email, your password, and the Shopify store domain, which I am gonna do right now. If you don't know what is .domain, it is the one which you can find in your Shopify store. So if I go here at very top in the address bar, you can see it says that and .microsoft.com, and this is my Shopify domain. For you it will be different, so make sure you copy the right one and then you can paste it right here and then click on create my account. After this you will see something like this. Then you have to go your email and find an email from the Beautified. Alright, so right now I will be here in my demo, which is one of which will be used. So here it is a Beautified email. I'm going to click on this and I want to click on verify email address. That's it. That's how we get Beautified. And then once we have verified, we are in here Beautified dashboard, and all we have to do is click on this downward theme. And so I am gonna click on the download theme and then I'm gonna come down here, click on download. As you can see, the theme, the Beautify file is download right here. We will be go back to our Shopify store to install the theme. So I am going back in our Shopify store, and the first thing which I will need to do is to go to the online store right here and then the theme. Then what you are gonna do is you going to scroll down and then you have to click on the add theme and then click on the upload zip file. Here you need to upload the zip file, and then I select the file which I just downloaded, click and open, and you can see right here it says the Beautified theme. Click on upload file and boom, you see right here we see the Beautified theme and it is installing the theme right now. You have to wait a while. So after wait a minute, the installation is complete. Now what you should know is click on action and then click on publish, and then Beautified theme will be your main theme of your online store. As you can see, the Beautified theme is right here. This theme is not down move. The theme doesn't move right down here. That's it, my friend, for this video lesson. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and subscribe the bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel Get E-commerce. I will see you guys in my next video.